So over here, you can see that I have a transaction record right here of $15 in United States dollars right here. But let's say I want to go ahead and change the preferred currency. In order to go ahead and do that, you need to click on your profile name over here on the top right hand side and then go to settings right here. Once you do that, you can see the localization setting under account, and here you can see it says USD. Simply go ahead and type in, let's say for example, the currency that you want. So let's say for example, I'm going to go for pound, and then I'm going to go ahead and select out, let's say for example, Great Britain pound right here. So once that is done, click on update my settings. And as you do that and go back to Spendee, you can see the Great Britain pound right here just like this. So this is now the preferred currency. And you can see that it automatically calculated the exchange rate as well. So you can go around over here and add in the transaction, and you can choose the currency over here as well. So I'm just going to go around over here and select, let's say for example, Great Britain pound right here. And just like this, you can go ahead and confirm it out and then type in the pound right here just like this. As you do that, you can go ahead and select out a category. Let's say for example, add in the transaction, and this is what you have. Let me just add in a positive transaction as well. So let's just go to income and then add in, let's say for example, right here as a business right here. And I'm going to say 34,550 right here. And then I can choose a particular currency right here just like this as I want. So let's just go around over here onto Euro right here, just like this, confirm and add in the transaction, and this is what you have. So you can see that right now, this particular cash wallet is in USD right here. That is why this is what you have. But if I were to actually go around over here onto, let's say my home, you can see my preferred currency is actually Great Britain pound. So you can see it right there. So this is the cash wallet. And if you were to go to cash wallet setting right here, you can go around over here just like this and see all of the setting for your particular wallet as well. So you can see that the cash wallet is by default in USD category right here. You can delete it and create one in other currency as well if you want to. So this is basically how you can go ahead and set out your default currency as you want inside of Spendee. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.